What if your couch time was actually worth something? Not in a cheesy, hustle harder kind of way, but literally. Real money, deposited into your PayPal account, just for answering questions on your phone. Survey apps have been around for years, but most people either don't know about them or they've tried one and got burned. Maybe the points were confusing. Maybe they couldn't cash out without jumping through a million hoops, or maybe the app just disappeared. Here's the thing though, not all survey apps are created equal. Some are actually worth your time. And today, I'm going to break down the best ones for you. The real ones. The ones that pay actual money, have low cash out minimums, and won't waste your afternoon. I've gone through over 18 of the top options out there, compared their payout systems, cash out minimums, user reviews, and extra ways to earn. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which apps deserve a spot on your phone, and which ones you should skip entirely. Before we get into the list, let's talk about how these apps actually work. Because once you understand the model, it all makes a lot more sense. Survey apps partner with brands and market research companies. Those companies need your opinions. They want to know what you think about their products, their ads, their services, and they're willing to pay for that feedback. So here's how it goes. The brand pays the survey platform. The platform takes a cut and passes the rest along to you. Simple, right? Now here's where it gets tricky. Not every platform is transparent about how much you're earning. Some use confusing point systems that make it feel like you're racking up rewards, when really you'd need to answer 500 surveys to buy a $10 gift card. The best survey apps do a few things really well. They match you with surveys you'll actually qualify for. They pay you fairly and quickly. They make it crystal clear what your points are worth in real dollars, and ideally, they give you more than just surveys to earn from. Keep those 4 things in mind as we go through this list. Number 1, KashKick. Let's start with the best overall option on this list. And I say that with confidence, because KashKick stands apart in a few really important ways. First, the point system. On KashKick, 1 cash equals $1. That's it. No confusing conversion rates. No, you need 3,000 points to get $5. What you see is what you get. Second, the cash out minimum is only $10. That's low, and you can actually hit it without feeling like you're grinding for weeks. Third, and this is the big one, KashKick isn't just a survey app. When you get tired of surveys, and you will, you can make money playing games, trying new apps, or shopping online. There are dozens of deals on the platform at any given time. Some of them pay really well. Here's an example of how that works. If you sign up for a new product through KashKick and meet the requirements, you can pocket a serious bonus. We're talking up to $100 for certain offers. On top of that, KashKick has a killer referral program, a daily cash giveaway when you open the app, and it pays out via PayPal in 1 to 3 days. It's rated 4.6 stars in the Apple App Store and 4.5 stars in the Google Play Store across nearly 150,000 combined reviews. That's not a fluke. That's a pattern. If you only download one app from this entire video, make it KashKick. Number 2, Adapole and branded surveys. Okay, let's talk about 2 solid runners-up for the more traditional survey experience. Adapole is a clean, straightforward survey app. Surveys pay anywhere from 20 cents to $10, with an average around 55 cents per survey. That doesn't sound huge, but the cash-out minimum is only $3. And PayPal payments are processed in seconds. Not days, seconds. The catch? Survey availability can be inconsistent. Some users report going full days without a new survey. So it's best used as a supplement to something like KashKick, not as your main earner. Branded surveys is another strong option. Members can realistically earn anywhere from $5 to $100 a month just from surveys. The cash-out minimum is $5, and they offer PayPal, gift cards, and even bank transfer. Silver and Gold members can get near-instant payouts, which is a nice perk as you build up your history on the platform. The downside, they use a point system, but to their credit, it's one of the more straightforward ones out there. 100 points equals $1. Number 3. Google Opinion Rewards and Inbox Dollars. These 2 are worth knowing about for very different reasons. Google Opinion Rewards is about as legit as it gets. I mean, it's Google. The surveys are short. We're talking around 20 seconds. You won't get rich, but you'll earn up to $1 per survey, and the $2 cash out minimum means you'll see rewards quickly. The downside is inconsistency. Some weeks you'll get a bunch of surveys. Other weeks, nothing. But because it's so low effort, it's a perfect add-on to whatever else you're using. Inbox Dollars takes a different approach. You earn actual dollars, not points. There's a $5 bonus when you sign up. And there's a huge variety of tasks beyond just surveys, games, shopping, and more. The higher cash out minimum of $15 is a bit of a hurdle. But once you're active on the platform, it's not hard to get there. Number 4, Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and QMe. These three are probably the most recognizable names on this list, and they've earned their reputations for good reason. Survey Junkie has a $5 cash out minimum and usually processes PayPal payments within 24 hours. One nice touch: they give you a few points, even when you get disqualified from a survey. That doesn't sound like much, but those little consolation points add up over time. Swagbucks is one of the most well-known reward apps in the space. You can earn through surveys, games, and cashback shopping. The cash out minimum is currently at $15, and the point system can feel a little murky. But if you're someone who shops online regularly, the cashback angle makes it worth considering. And then there's QMe. QMe has something almost no other app on this list can claim. There is no cash out minimum. Zero. You earn $1, you can cash it out immediately via PayPal or Venmo. That kind of flexibility is really rare, and it makes QMe a great option if you just want to dip your toes in without committing to a long grind.
Number 5, the rest of the field. We've covered the top picks. Now let me give you a quick rundown of the other apps worth knowing about. LifePoints sends survey reminders straight to your inbox. $5 cash out minimum. Mistplay is mainly a gaming rewards app, but they recently launched surveys on iOS. YouGov is a great option if you like interesting, topical surveys. The content tends to be more substantive. Think politics, culture, consumer trends. The trade-off is that it takes longer to reach the cash-out threshold. Zap surveys and SurveyPop are solid secondary options for boosting your total earnings across multiple platforms. Both have $5 to $10 cash-out minimums and reasonably fast payout times. Just note that some user reviews flag lower per-survey pay rates, so they're best used as supplements. And finally, PollPay, Eureka Surveys, MyPoints, Toluna, and Surveys on the Go round out the list. Each has its pros and cons, but none of them hit the same combination of transparency, payout speed, and earning variety as KashKick.
So here's what it all comes down to. Survey apps aren't a get-rich-quick scheme. Anyone telling you otherwise is lying to you. But if you approach them with realistic expectations, they're a genuinely legitimate way to put extra money in your pocket without learning a new skill, taking on a second job, or leaving your house. The key is using the right apps. Look for transparent payout systems, low cash-out minimums, fast payment processing, and ideally, more than one way to earn. That's exactly why KashKick sits at the top of this list. It hits every single one of those marks. And with a 4.6-star rating across hundreds of thousands of reviews, it's clearly not just me saying that. Start with KashKick. Add one or two others from this list. Give yourself a month, and I think you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and drop a like. It helps more people find this content. And if you want to see more videos on legit ways to make money from your phone, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. The link to download KashKick is in the description. It's free to sign up, and you'll get $1 just for completing your profile survey. That's a pretty good deal for 5 minutes of your time. I'll see you in the next one.